Hey guys, welcome to the property chat with me, KG. What's up? What's up? This Saturday evening, I'm chilling with the guys, Show and the cameraman is Spiro. And tonight, we're not talking any property, but we're growing the studio. We got an addition to the family, new softbox. So usually been using this one every day, Godox P120H, but it's too huge, it's big. So what we want to do is to get a smaller version so we can just focus on the face, and the face is more brighter. We get to see everything, even my eyelashes and my statues and my beautiful cheeks. But let's not talk more, let's open it up. This is a 60 centimeter Lophoto PS-70 and this is Godox P120. This is 120 centimeters. This is huge, so this comes too. So opening it up, what I like about it, come close, so you see. What I like about this package is lightweight, it's even less than a kilogram. You open from this side and you can also open from the side. But actually I like opening from the side because it keeps it folded all the time. And let's open it up. So there's this guy over here. Let's pull him out. Okay, so in the box we have him right here. And we have the two diffusers. This one is for the inside, inside, and this one is for the outside. We'll stick them together now. And what do you have? Yeah, and that's it. I like the box, very strong. It's a beautiful quality. And let's put it on the side. But what we want to focus on is this guy right here. So I've heard that it's easy to set up compared to this one. This one, you set it up step by step, one by one, and it's a whole lot of them, and it's difficult to really put them up because they stick back like they can hurt you. And it takes forever to set up. I leave it like this. This one, I can just fold it when I'm done recording the videos for the week, and I can put it back and just like that. Even if I leave it up here, so then there's one on the light, I can leave it on the light and it doesn't take as much space as this one. Because the studio is quite small. It's very small. Okay, it's a studio, bedroom, whatever you call it. Studio, bedroom, study room. What else we call it? Sleeping room. Guest. Okay, let's set it up. So actually, what I like about this one, come to show here. What I like this one is you come down here and you push it down, then it locks, and you push locks, and you push the other side locks. Push the other side lock, push the other side, and then you have it. Let me see this side. Yeah. So, is it all out? This for me. I'm missing this one. Is it all equal?
Yeah.
Is it all equal?
Yes, it's
all equal. So the setup was quick, less than 5 seconds, and I'm gonna stick the inner part, which goes one by one. Show them how we doing it quickly. So one by one, doesn't take forever. There's the inner diffuser, easy to stick it there. Okay. And one by one, I stick it together. Okay. So that's stuck. Yeah. The inner one done. Check it out. And that's how it looks like from the inside. And we've got our camera guy, Spiro, Michael Gatto Jr. And you have the outer part. And that's this one.
I think it goes by the holes.
So you just run it across. This thing is detached. This is so easy. This makes work easy. So if I have to record here and I have to go to another location, this is gonna be so easy for me to set up. Then you have it this small, all in, and look at these two guys. Look at these two guys. The older one. So if finally when we have a studio, a big studio, you're gonna set them up together. So this is gonna be like a focus, and this one is gonna light up the whole place. But look at the sizes. This is 60 centimeter to 120. Let me turn it over so you can see how huge. Look how huge this thing is. Big. Take the whole space. Look at how we turn it over. The whole space is gone. Look at how sexy this thing is. Doesn't take any space and it's lightweight, man. It's lightweight. Can carry it. I will start recording in all places in the house, even outside. Because I can just move anywhere. Look. So let's stick him up into this thing here. Light. Okay. Then voila. Show them what it looks like. This is all. This is all of it. Okay, this is all in, and you're gonna put in the light, and let's see how it looks like. Let's see how it looks like. Switch off that light, switch off.
Pitch black.
Pitch black, and we reveal. Look at that. Cool. So guys, we have it. That's a light. Let me know how you guys think. Actually, I like this light. I see the changes. This is quite exciting. This is quite sweet because now my face is lit. My face is lit. Therefore, I'm going to sit and I'm going to record this lovely video because I can and because I will, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Welcome to the property chat. Welcome to the property chat. Welcome to the property chat. I like how my face looks. It's more clearer compared to when I was using the big one. So the big one was more like giving the light to the entire place, but this one, the light just comes straight to my face and it's doing the things. Look, even my teeth are more brighter than my skin. You can see all the sections, and then I had to use two lights. Now I'm going to use one light and I'm going to get what I want. Hey everybody, welcome to the property chat with KG. I'm testing the lights 1212. I've got a great light here and I'm using this phone of mine, Samsung 832 with one spotlight, and I've just switched off my other Gold Dog spotlight off, and I want to see the difference.
Baby, it's so nice. Yeah, so guys, like I was saying,